Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, create a new project or open a video in your library. And actually, if you see this editor site, if you want to duplicate your video, click to the video line at the lower side of the screen, and here you can find the lower bar. You just click to the fourth button, the duplicate. And here, if you want to duplicate this video, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the home screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.